Minty lives to see another day. So, mechanics' verdict is, yeah, give it a go. Give it a go. It's all been checked over. It will pass its MOT when we take it over for MOT in a couple of weeks' time. It's had new tyres, it's had some work done on the brakes, and probably one of the biggest things for us is having a hatch that actually opens now. Wow. Yes. You don't realise how much a hatch actually weighs until you have to hold it and balance it on your head. So, right, the fun bit starts now. And starting to plan the route and start booking ferries and yeah, planning the trip. Starting late Monday 26th, early Tuesday 27th of June, we'll set off, and I think the route we'll take is going to be drive down to Catros to Dover, catch the ferry to Calais, across France, into Germany, stop for the night in Germany, and then on Wednesday aim to make it to Belgrade, stop and see a close friend of mine there. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, Belgrade to Sofia. That's a few hours drive and chill out. And the car is now booked with George, our mechanic friend in Sofia, for the Friday. And then Saturday, 1st of July, meet up with Kathy somewhere in Istanbul. So let the planning begin. But for now, I've got a boot camp to run at the coach house.